Indigo Louis Fisher by Louis Fisher. This chapter is an excerpt from Fisher's book. The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. This chapter has been extracted from the book written by the writer Louis Fisher, entitled The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. The book has been reviewed by the Times Educational Supplement as one of the best books ever written on Gandhi. The author visited Gandhi in 1942 and Gandhi narrated him the incident which promoted him to fight against the British. Rajkumar Shukla, who is a poor peasant, came to Gandhi with the problem of exploitation in his district. Gandhi visited the place and freed the people of Champaran from tyranny. Now, this author, from whose book this extract has been taken, Louis Fisher. He was born in 1896 and was a Jewish American journalist. He began his career as a school teacher but later became a journalist and famous international reporter. In June 1942, he was permitted to stay for a week in the guest house near Mahatma Gandhi's ashram and conducted daily interviews with the great leader. Now, the characters that play their role in this story are number one, Gandhi, who is called the father of the nation. Here he helps the peasants of Champaran to become self-reliant. Rajkumar Shukla is another character who is poor, emaciated peasant whose resoluteness impresses Gandhi to work for empowering Champaran's peasants. Now, Rajkumar Shukla, the resolute peasant. Gandhi starts narrating the incident which made him decide to support the exit of the British from India. It means that when the Gandhi decided to lead the freedom movement of India against the British. The incident occurred in 1970. Gandhi had gone to the December 1916 annual convention of the Indian National Congress Party in Lucknow. A poor and emaciated peasant, Raj Kumar Shukla, approached Gandhi there. Shukla was one of the sharecroppers of Champaran. Shukla wanted Gandhi to visit his district and look into the condition of the peasants there. He came to the Congress session to complain about the injustice of the landlord system in Bihar. Gandhi had other commitments, but Shukla accompanied him everywhere for weeks. He never left Gandhi him to Champaran. He told him to come to Calcutta and take him from there. When Gandhi went to Kolkata, after some months, he found Shukla already present there. Now, Shukla was asked to wait or to come to Calcutta, and when Gandhi visited Calcutta, he found already him waiting there. Now, Shukla and Gandhi went to Patna, that is Bihar, capital of Bihar, to meet a lawyer named Rajendra Prasad, the man who later became the president of the Congress Party of India. Rajendra Prasad was out of town. The servants knew Shukla as a poor peasant who pastored their master to help the indigo sharecroppers. As Gandhi accompanied him, they thought him to be another farmer. Gandhi was not allowed to drink water from the well as they thought he was an untouchable. Thank you.